Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBPJPY and we will also share our trading ideas of GBPJPY for intraday trading. But before that, first of all we will discuss about our yesterday's analysis video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch that video. We did these analysis in our yesterday's video. Market was almost here when we did these analysis and we said that we will open a sell trade from this level, and if market break this level then we will look for a buy trade. Otherwise there is no trade range, and if market break this support level then we will open a sell trade below this support level. First of all, market come down and we said that there is no trade range. You can see here market break this level, goes upside at this level, and we entered a trade. If we move on M30, there's already M30 time frame. So here you can look here, almost, yeah, market come in this area, market tried to break this level, we were waiting, comes down, then again goes upside, and if we move on lower time frame, we had a lower high at this point, and if we look on a 30 time frame, when this candle closed, I opened a sell trade almost here. SL was above this area almost here, and TP was open, but I closed my trade almost here. Yeah, I took 1-3 risk reward. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch that video. When we opened this trade, we give signal in our FxFaisal Forex family. So this was the video on our YouTube channel. You can look here. We did this analysis and we said that we will open a sell trade at this level, and here's our FxFaisal Forex family WhatsApp group. Here you can see that we open a sell trade almost here. SL was above this level, and here is the closing point. We closed this trade with almost 50 pips. So this was a nice trade. So let's remove these areas and do some fresh live analysis for today. Remove this area. So this was a nice trade. If you want to get exact into your exit points, then you can join our FxFaisal Forex family. If you want to join our FxFaisal Forex family, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. So let's do some fresh live analysis. Okay, so analysis are simple. Here now we are looking for buy trade above this level and sell below this support level. There's no trade range here. You can look the left side, there's a total like a garbage. There's no clean range, so you can sell below this support level and open a buy trade above this resistance level. This will be nice. So I don't want to take any risk because I already make 50 pips in early morning. So here is the analysis of GBPJPY for today. Please like this video, share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live forex analysis from us. Here we upload daily live forex analysis of GBPJPY and gold. And if you want to join our FxFaisal Forex family, contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. Please make sure you followed us all our other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Telegram. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.